a hatred, and that's why I needed to make a backup. The hatred is someone that is a hater but follows you closer than just an enemy. Uh, One good example is Jesus and Satan. For example, they have decades fighting one onto another, and it's not just a fight that seems to be easy, even though in our eyes it is easy. I have discovered that Jesus is just showing to us just a little part of the huge battle that he has with him. Because even you, if you are a follower of Jesus, you will face a lot of problems that if you are not able to be patient and to hold yourself to Jesus Christ, trust me, you will get tired and you will just maybe give up, which is something that they are counting the days for me to do. Let me show you what I was doing. Sadly, the video got stopped. You see here the SAMP. I got it open. I hit on here to initialize it, and also I was watching the users here. Also here you see the login. Oops, sorry, this is not the login. This is the PHP my admin. Let's place this smaller, just like this. Let's give a little bit of a style to this. Okay, you see this formula, this login, sorry, I was able to go to the login. That was everything that I needed until the moment. Now we could also go to the index. For example, if I am not wrong, it is there also, so we could just go to the index and hit on enter, and you will see that we have, for example, this, which is coming from where. Remember that this is coming from the online database that we got the fetch petition before. Here, the JSON server. So what I'm going to do is just to try to test the connection. For us to test the connection, let's go to the text tester. Do you remember that? And in here, I'm going to try to see what are the tables I need. For example, deity node space. Being honest, I know that table is there. It has a title and it also has a text area. But being honest, I don't know if the name of the text area field in the database is called like that. So let's go to here, simply DREBB. And you see deity node space. Let's see here the name of the database. Deity node space is just like that. And you see, for example, is test space, but it has instead of test space is text area in the code. So what I'm going to do is to change this test space, and also I have a title that is just a title. Let's just hit on save and let's insert the data here just to test. Okay, let's try to do it before 5 minutes. Testing the paragraph. We could go, for example, for lorem ipsum, but let me first fill this up. Let's relate an user. We have a problem, and it is that we don't have any user created yet. So let's create. Being honest, this is not, well, yes, it is. It is linked, so we need to create the user first. Let's create a user. Insert. See, we are 10 seconds before the minute. Okay, and this is going to be this, just like this, and that's everything. Hit on continue, and it is supposed to create the user for us. It did it. Now let's go. Now you see, let's close this. We can open the deity node space, and now we can insert the data without any problem. Test spaced lorem ipsum dolor sit amet. point. Sadly, that is the and here the user, I don't know why it is not showing up, but let's imagine that the user is going to be just the number 1 or something like that. I know why it is. It's because in the designer we haven't related it. We have not related it yet. Title testing connection. Let's continue. And that was it. Now let's go to API private tester.html. I think that is called like that or something like that. No, it's private API tester. It's vice versa, okay? Private API, and that's it. Let's see, tester API private tester, and that's it. Sorry, there you go. Testing connection, and this is the text from the database. So see you in the next video. Remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loves you much more than what I could ever say. Bye bye, and thank you for watching the video.